Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video you can see how I make poster design of orange juice, so without do any further let's get started. Let's take main subject image. Now take second image. Put the main subject on the second image like us. Alright, now decrease the opacity of main image. Then add layer mask on main image layer. Make sure foreground color is black, then erase this part of main subject like this. You can also erase it by using erase tool, but I suggest you to use the layer mask because it's quite easy to handle. Alright, now erase some extra areas of second image with using layer mask. Done. Now add third image, and resize it like us. Also in this image remove some extra part with using layer mask. Now adjust the color with using hue and saturation of this image. Alright, now create shadow with using brush tool. Make sure the brush size is bigger and hardness is 0. Then click once and resize it like us. Also decrease the opacity of shadow. Make a group of these images. Now add one more image. Remove white background of the image with using magic wand tool. Simply click on white color and select invert the selection. Alright, now drag it this layer on our main workboard. Now make copy of this layer and flip it horizontally. And arrange it like us. Make a group of these images. Now add leaf image. Remove the background color with using magic wand tool. Now drag it on our main workboard. Take 4 copies of this leaf. And arrange it like us. Make a group of these images. Alright, now create border for this poster with using rectangle shape tool. Now go to property panel, then click on stroke, then choose color for stroke. Also increase width of stroke like us. As well as increase the roundness of this two corner. Like us. Let's add gradient. Okay, now create some shapes for text content. Take a copy of the shape. Let's add text content. You can also add like website contact information and feature of this product. Well friends, our poster is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, also like and share this video.